All right, so we are going to take a look at a 2-bedroom apartment in my same building with my same view. Let's take a look at it. So immediately you walk in, you've got dining room table and chairs for 4 people. Off to the right you have the first bathroom. Has a washer, dryer, sink, and then the shower and the toilet are separate. Shower, nice shower head. Very similar color scheme layout to my apartment. Shower head, same toilet. I only have a washer. I don't have a washer and dryer in mine. We head into the kitchen. It's nice overhead fan, 2-burner. The one in my apartment's a single burner and gets pulled out and put underneath. Lots of storage. Some drawers. Man, there's a ton of storage compared to my place. Under the sink storage, plus all of these overheads. It's crazy. Might consider upgrading just for the gain in storage. And we haven't even hit the rest of the apartment yet. Nice big sink, adjustable faucet head, paper towel holder, soap dispenser. Oh, this has got the hot and cold option. Unlike my apartment, that is one temperature when you turn it on. The fridge looks a whole lot bigger than what I have in my apartment. So, and then you come over here and you have your microwave, your kettle, and a bunch more drawers. Lots of options for storage. Living room, you got a couple of comfy chairs, big TV. It's one thing I'm lacking in my apartment because it's a studio is a little couch or chair other than the desk chairs to sit in. So one of the bedrooms, so it's got its own AC unit. It's got the dresser with some drawers in it. Nice big comfy bed. No TV in this room, but has its balcony that it shares with the living room. So, much like the view from my apartment, because literally I am below the other half of this apartment. This is above my neighbor's apartment. Woo, that wind grabs onto that door. As you can see, you got a big balcony on this side, and then the master bedroom has its own balcony over there. But it's the same view. So, man, that wind is strong today. What I do notice is I don't really hear the wind howling through that door like downstairs in my apartment. That's the other half of the balcony there. Same thing, I can see a little bit of daylight coming in the door, but I don't hear it whipping in like I do downstairs. And now let's check out the master suite. So another big comfy bed. Its own balcony, but you do have the AC units on this balcony so you don't get as much room. Would definitely put the table and chairs on the other balcony where you got a little bit more room to spread out. And then the other half of this room is storage, and the bathroom is split. Again, it's got its own AC unit, no TV. So just the one TV in the apartment. So the bathroom's split. You got a shower here, nice big shower. And then you've got a little desk area and a ton of storage for clothing. Your sink, big old mirror, hello, and then the toilet. Overall, it is a lot bigger than my apartment. Obviously, it's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, instead of being just a studio. The cost of this is about 10 million more a month than what I pay for mine. Should I? Should I upgrade and get the additional space, the additional storage? Things to think about. What would you do? Share it down in the comments below. Would you pay another 10 million a month just to gain all of this extra space? Be able to spread your stuff out, be able to have people come stay with you when they're in town visiting versus having to pay for a hotel? Like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Don't like this video? That's okay. We're not for everybody. Go ahead and give me a thumbs down. But if you give me a thumbs down, please, leave a comment down below and tell me what you didn't like about this video. You think somebody else could find value in this video and seeing this 2-bedroom apartment tour, beachfront? Go ahead and share it with them. If you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget, check the description and the pinned comment for a special link for you to get inside scoop into some of our next videos. Alrighty. While you're waiting for my next video, go ahead and check out this video right here. I think you really will like that one. And if not, check out this one right there. Catch you on the next video.